Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool SEAT. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 SEAT Ibiza FR. Now of course this car does come with full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that these alloys come with. Then of course coming around to the rear, we've also got partial LED tail lights. We've then got plenty of space inside of the tailgate, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which of course will then fold down just to increase your boot capacity. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have your Nora cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around. Now of course this car does have its own little party piece. As you can see, the previous owner has installed the Starlight modification just to give the car a bit more ambience and a bit more atmosphere inside. You've then got a 6-speed manual gearbox, drive select, stop start off and central locking along the left. You've got dual climate control as well. You've then got your touchscreen display in the middle, which you can see you've got Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. We've then got your various radio bands and media sources just here. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, satellite navigation, and then you also have your full link, which enables Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then over to the steering wheel now, we've got your track select, voice assistant and audio volume. Over on the right you have your onboard computer controls. Your cruise control is on the indicator stalk, and as you can see this car has done 33,235 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this SEAT Ibiza, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.